In this tutorial, we will show you how to send data from your bot to any other system using Make. In this tutorial, we will send data from your bot to Google Sheets, but the process is the same for any other apps. Let me show you. First, let us go to Integration in the Settings section and connect Make. This will require us to log in to our Make account. Once connected, now let us go back and create a flow where we will send data to Make using Make action. Here we will select Make Trigger. This action will send data to Make. Now let us publish our flow and proceed to create a scenario on Make. Here we need to search for our app and select Watch New Trigger Make Event. We need to connect our account by entering our account access token. Once done, select the Make Trigger action we created in our flow. Now we need to search for Google Sheet app, select Add Row action and connect our Google account. Select the correct spreadsheet and map all the data correctly. Once done, let us activate our scenario and test our flow. Our data was successfully sent to Google Sheet. Here we come to the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching.